Here I have HUAWEI Y7a, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So first of all, you have to go to the upper bar, and here you have the button Screen Recorder. By holding your finger on it, you can't access any of its settings, unfortunately, but by tapping on it once, you can start recording. As you can see, there is a tutorial which touch here to turn the mic on or off, touch here to end the screen recording. Everything is set before me. And recording starts. Let's record some of our screen, for example some of the settings list. You can turn off and turn on your microphone here. And if you want to stop recording, just tap on the button next to it. And after that, recording will be saved to the gallery. And here you can find it in the videos album. Here it is, our recording. And recording starts. Let's record some of our screen, for example some of the settings list. You can... Yeah. So... if you want to stop recording, just... And from here, you can share, edit. And recording starts. Let's record some of our... And from here you can share, edit or delete your recording. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.